A lot of those wanna go and try to break me down, wanna go ahead, wanna get up in my head, wanna say that I cannot do this and I can't do that, and say I won't get this. But yo man, I'm gonna go and tell you that I'm not gonna listen to you stupid motherfuckers. Because if you wanna have a bad life on your own, and don't try to come around and try to make me miserable. Cause I'm gonna let you know that I'm gonna go rock out. Cause I'm gonna let you know, man, I done dropped out. Dropped out from the motherfucking hater circle that wanna come around and just wanna go and make me fucking miserable, wanna make me vulnerable. But I'm gonna tell you now, my life is gonna be promised. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna tell you now, I'm gonna take what I learned and take it to the New York Cubs. Yo, I'm just gonna take it now that I'm gonna take my time to peace. For those that wanna come around and wanna say, yeah, Nick, you're not gonna go and deliver. Hell, you're not gonna live up to your goal. Well, let me tell you something, don't you feel a little bit softer or softer? It doesn't really matter how the fuck you really feel. Cause I'm gonna tell you now that I'm actually doing me and doing what I gotta do, man. Why you sitting on your ass not doing shit, man? But then you wanna come around and wanna brag about shit. Hell, look at you, you wanna brag your ass involved, and now look at you, this nigga that wanted to be called a fraud. Yeah, my room is mess. You think I give a shit? Nah, I can care less. I can leave the shit a mess while I'm out doing me, living my life, looking for success. But you know what? You don't know what I've been through.
Never give it up. Say what you wanna say. You don't know what I've been through. Never give it up. Say what you wanna say.
Yeah. You can keep talking shit, cause I ain't listen to you niggas. You can break me, you can try. You can break me, then you cry. I don't really give a damn. You motherfuckers ain't shit. You ain't me, but you wish.
You don't know what I've been through. Never give it up. Say what you wanna say. You don't know what I've been through. Never give it up. Say what you wanna say.